idea of course, over here. This comes from long before, but the idea of, again, propaganda and vision for 1956 will be preparing many different of the superior Aryan. Okay, the superior Aryan who's taken from also Sparta.
É o superior do mundo.
Toda went out of business.
Rituals and everything that they do. It was only the very beginning, but this is one stage of this movie. It's in film, it's really how we stage. It's really the idea of soldiers for whom we have to remember that for them, after 10 years of this kind of brainwashing, for them it's really like a movie. They just want to take. Then the second goes on. So Antonio Banderas, under his coat, is trying to film Jesus for these are Kaunas, the ghetto in Lithuania, the four ghettos. Many.
On the Mount of Remembrance, Jerusalem, to commemorate. We remember with veneration the fortitude of the fighters, the heroic and persistent struggle of the masses of the House of Israel to lay the wreath on the slab under which the ashes of all.
Umeona ni ukweli.